Traders, we are excited to announce our new brokerage partner, Blueberry Markets. They are willing to give you money to trade with them. As part of this partnership, you, the trader, are going to receive a full refund of your Simply Forex Discord fee. So, how will it work? Well, they're going to give you, the trader, $300 when you open an account with Blueberry Markets. More than 30,000 traders already trust Blueberry Markets, and they are highly rated on Trustpilot and Google. You can also benefit from excellent commissions and super tight spreads. Some spreads are zero. And you can also benefit from a dedicated customer support team that you can contact 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And if that's not enough, guys, you can also benefit from our rebate program that we're offering. So Simply Forex and Blueberry Markets have teamed up to offer you this excellent promotion. And if you would like to take advantage of it, guys, then find the link in the video description. Good morning, traders. Today is Thursday, the 16th of February, and we are excited. Why are we excited? Well, we have finally launched our VIP rooms, guys, as part of the Discord. So yeah, check it out. There's loads of great things on there. Some of the benefits include you can have a direct link with me and ask me anything you like about trading, only trading. And also, guys, you get trade alerts. So as soon as we enter a trade, myself and other expert traders, you too will also receive this alert. All right. So you can find out exactly when we are entering trades, guys. All right. Plus some other extra material that we will be launching as well. So yeah, guys, we've got there. We did it. VIP rooms are available now on the Discord channel. So join the Discord channel, check out the VIP rooms. You won't be disappointed. I'm happy. We've done it. We've got it going. Okay. So guys, let's focus back on today now. So as always, we'll look back at yesterday's trades. We'll look at today's potential trades, and we'll look at the important news for today as well. But before I do, I still have to mention my three other things that I have to mention to keep my editor sane and happy. So first of all, the Discord channel, but now obviously we've got the VIP room. So yeah, take a look at everything, guys. Check it out. If you're interested, then come join it. All right. Secondly, live stream every Wednesday, 6:30 a.m. London GMT. Thank you to everyone who turned up yesterday. I always enjoy your questions. And thirdly, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you all the details. All the information for all of these things are in the video description. Right, first of all, trades from yesterday, guys. Okay, so we were looking at a couple of Canadian dollar pairs, and this was one of them. So Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar. So this is the day chart, guys. And as you can see, price was clearly breaking down. Yeah, we started to get, you know, lower lows and then lower highs. All right, so this is the definition of a downtrend. Okay, and then we had this bearish reaction come down, and then it's sort of been ranging a little bit. So that's what we're seeing structurally. If we zoom in, guys, yeah, we still had a bounce off of our grey zone. So I was still looking to take shorts back down to these lows and then even potentially this low here. But let's take a look at the H1 now to see if we could get in on this pair. And the problem was it just sort of flew off without us, basically. So we had the perfect entry. Remember, guys, I love being with H1 trend, and this was just a H1 uptrend. Okay, until this last low gets broken. Yeah, we're not creating higher highs. Yeah, always a red flag. Look for this if we're looking for a trend reversal or trend break. Yeah, and then when we get a break of this low, this is my bread and butter. All right, we are looking to take this lower. If we zoom in now, this would have been the candle you could have entered on. All right, but this happened when I was asleep, unfortunately. By the time I woke up, price was down here. Okay, and this was our target here. This was our first target. So just didn't have a trade, guys, wasn't awake. Price action had already happened before I could get in this trade. So, yeah, you know, FOMO, the fear of missing out, don't worry, guys. There'll be another trade around the corner. Okay, so, yeah, this was a trade. It was a good trade, but we were just not awake. Perhaps some of you trade the Asian market. You took this trade. Let me know. The next trade idea was Euro Canadian dollar. And this was a tricky one. Okay, so let's look at the day chart. So again, we were looking to short this pair. Yeah, why? Because it's in a downtrend. Okay, it was in an uptrend, but then price has slowly broken down. All right. So we've got lower lows, lower highs. And guys, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for lows and highs because these are usually, these not only tell you structure, but they're also good targets usually. All right. So that's what we're looking at structurally. We were looking to just come back down to these lows. If we zoom in now, yeah, you can also see we had this, well, this happened yesterday, but we had a retrace, a bounce off of this last area of support. And then we also had the same again yesterday. So this will still be a trade idea for today. Okay, but yeah, that's what we were looking to do. Yeah, and again, guys, if you trade this pattern, what was once support, yeah, becomes resistance. Yeah, if you only traded this pattern, break, retest, come lower, if you traded that pattern, you will have your Ferrari before you know it. Okay, so that's what we were looking at, guys. And then H1, the problem with the H1 for me was we wasn't with H1 structure. All right, so we were in an uptrend. Okay, so remember, I wanted to see a break of this grey zone and then come down, but we didn't get that. Instead, we got a break up, yeah, breaking these last H1 highs here, but also breaking this last high. And if you look on the H4 as well, this candle broke this high. So for me, we was in a H1 uptrend and even a H4 uptrend. So although it came down beautifully, yeah, from our grey zone, I didn't get into this pair. Like I say, guys, I'll be transparent. Sometimes my criteria keeps me out of good trades. Sometimes my criteria keeps me out of bad trades, but I have to follow it. Yeah. So yeah, that's this time it kept me out of a good trade. But I'm still looking to trade this today. If it comes back up to here, we could take lows or even just the first bearish candle that we see, because now I'm happy to trade it because this H1 has broken all these last lows here. All right, so now we are back in a downtrend. We've got lower lows. I'll be looking for something like this, guys. Okay, but no trade. And then the final pair yesterday, guys, was also this pound US dollar. So this was a similar story as well. It's quite a frustrating day from that respect. Yeah, a lot of trades just flew off without us getting in. But again, pound US dollar, this is what we were looking at, guys. We were in an uptrend, yeah, and then price broke down. Look at this, no higher highs, always a red flag, and then price broke these lows, okay? Reacted at our grey zone, and then again, it's another one of those patterns, guys, yeah? What was once support, when it breaks and retests, then becomes excellent resistance. If you just traded that pattern, you will buy a Ferrari. Okay, so look for this pattern, guys. It's a beautiful pattern on all time frames. Okay, so because of this huge rejection wick at this last support level, then resistance, we were just looking to take price back down to this blue line. And again, guys, the trade was good. Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar short was good. EURCAD short was good. And pound US dollar short was good. They were all good trades. They were just difficult to get into. So again, guys, yeah, we were in an uptrend on the H1. Okay. and then price broke down. Yeah, this candle here, yeah, was our entry candle. All right, and it was because of the bad UK CPI data as well. And because of that bad UK CPI data, it never gave us a chance to get in. So if you had entered here, realistically, you have to put your stop up here, you know, or even here. And my target's here. So it just didn't make sense. What I wanted to see, guys, was a retrace into here, and then the trade makes sense. And then I can take it back down to here. All right. But again, just flew off, didn't have a chance to get into this trade. I did have a trade as part of the VIP rooms, Aussie dollar, Japanese yen long. We're still in that trade. And I gave that as one of my trade alerts yesterday, guys. So if you're interested in the VIP rooms where I give you my trades as and when they happen, then check out the VIP rooms, guys. Okay, let's take a look at today's trades now. So guys, a little frustrating day yesterday because the trade ideas were good, but they all sort of left the station before we got there. But if you enjoyed the recap, maybe you learned something, then come join us. Yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. Smash the notification button and smash the like button. Help support the channel. Merci beaucoup. Itchy nose. Guys, yeah, I've already said it once. I'm going to say it again. We have finally launched our VIP rooms as part of the Discord, guys. So, yeah, lots of great benefits in there and value for you. So, first of all, guys, you'll have a direct link to me. You can ask me anything you like about trading. Yeah, perhaps you're in a trade, perhaps you need help with psychology, money management, some techniques that I use. Yeah, you can really pick my brain, guys, as part of the VIP channel. Please bear in mind, I do sleep. I need sleep and I have to eat. But I will get back to you as soon as I can. And secondly, guys, we have trade alerts as and when they happen. So myself and other expert traders will give you trade alerts exactly when we are entering the trade. Okay, we will post it. You can see it. You can trade it, guys. All right. And also we're going to slowly add some extra materials in there as well, guys. So yeah, come join the VIP channel as part of Discord. We'd love to have you guys. But yeah, join the Discord channel, join the VIP channel. Secondly, the live stream, of course it is. Thank you to everyone who turned up yesterday. Always enjoy your question, guys. See you next Wednesday as well, 6:30 a.m. London GMT. And thirdly, guys, if you would like to be mentored one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and we'll send you all the details, guys. All the information for all of these things are in the video description. Right, trades for Thursday, the 16th of February, guys. So pretty much any yen pair, not US dollar, Japanese yen, but any yen pair, guys. Yeah, because if we look at the day chart, yeah, price has been ranging. This is Canadian dollar yen, but pretty much any yen pair. And we have had a break of this grey zone. Okay. As soon as we have a break of this grey zone, I just want to see a bit of a retest. And then we can take it back up to this grey zone and this 10100 level. Yeah, let me even put that in. Okay, so back up to this level here. So yeah, that's what we're seeing, guys, structurally. All right. But also, yeah, look at these bullish candles. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Yeah, we just want a little bit of a retrace and then we can take price higher. Yeah, where can it retrace to? Let's have a look. Yeah, let's look on the H1. So there's an area through here, guys. Okay, there's definitely an area through here. So yeah, we got this high, and then now these lows as well. So if price reacts bullishly in this grey zone, we get a bullish reaction. And when I say bullish reaction, guys, it could be a bullish candlestick pattern. It could just be a bullish candle that tells me buyers are in control. And I like to couple that with a structure break in M15. Yeah, that gives me an added piece of confluence, guys. So if we get those things, we can then take price back up to here, yeah, close 80% and then leave 20% to run. Okay. I've just shown you Canadian dollar yen, but like I say, you could trade any of the yen pairs: New Zealand yen, Aussie dollar yen, euro yen. Yeah, I'm looking at all of the yen pairs, guys. I'm seeing yen weakness. Next trade idea for today is this euro Canadian dollar. All right. So we're still looking to short this, guys. Okay, so what are we seeing on the day chart? Well, this was a trade idea from yesterday. So you know what we're seeing. Yeah, price was in an uptrend, but then price started to break down. All right, lower lows, lower highs. All right, the pure ultimate definition of a downtrend. Okay, and this pattern, I love this pattern more than a full English breakfast. Okay, so what was once support becomes resistance. Yeah, once we get a break of this support, comes back up, becomes resistance, we can take price back down to here. All right, so yeah, this is what we like in the market, guys. We love this pattern. I cannot express that enough. So that's what we're looking for. If we go, let me go back to the day chart, because as you can see, we've also had a very bearish reaction. Yeah, these candles tell me sellers are still pushing this market down. All right, so let's now look at the H1, guys. And these were my gray zones from yesterday. And not much has changed really, guys. So because of this candle here that broke all of these lows, yeah, I am looking for shorts now. Yeah. What I'm looking for, guys, is it could come up to here, yeah, test these last highs, and then we get a bearish reaction, and then we can come lower. Yeah, I would trade that. Or, you know, price might start just reacting here and we get a bearish candlestick pattern or a bearish reaction. But again, I would look to be taking this short from here as well. Yeah, this gray zone, I'm going to remove this gray zone because this candle, this candle has broken these lows. Okay, so for me, this gray zone has already been broken. I'm just looking for a retrace to take price lower. All right, guys, so euro Canadian dollar, we're looking to short this pair. There's more. Before I show you the other trades, guys, if you're enjoying this analysis and these trade ideas and want to receive it every single day, then come join us. Subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash the like button. Help support the channel. Merci beaucoup. Gracias. Thank you. Dankeschön. Right. What else are we looking at, guys? Okay, yeah, euro against the pound. We're looking at this today as well, guys. So if we look at the day chart, yeah, you can see we were sort of coming down and thought we were in a downtrend, but then price has pushed back up and we are clearly in an uptrend. Yeah, we've got higher highs, yeah, which is using this blue line here as a area of support, a diagonal support, and we've got higher highs, guys. So I think we can take price back up to this level here. Okay, let's drop down to the H1 now and see what I am seeing, see what I'm looking for. So guys, for me, because I like to be with H1 structure, this is what I would be looking for. Okay, so if price comes back down and tests this H1 structure and then bounces off, and then we can start looking for buys. The problem with this is I think price is going to retrace further, yeah, into here somewhere, okay, perhaps with this last high here. And because of that, then my H1 structure has broken and I am reluctant to take the trade. So if this happens, I then need to see something like this. Maybe I see a build up of candles and then I get a break, yeah. Then as soon as I get this break, I am back with H1 structure. Yeah, I am back with H1 structure. Then I'm happy to buy this again. Yeah, it's important as part of my strategy, guys. Okay, so yeah, this is what I would need to see happen. If we look at the H4, okay, yeah, so we've already had a bullish push off of this area here. So we've already had a bullish push off of these last highs here. So let's see what happens at this level. Yeah, perhaps it could come higher. All right, guys, but euro pound, I'm looking to buy this pair. Is there anything else? Yeah, okay, there's one more trade that I'm looking at. Is this Aussie dollar Swiss franc? Yeah, the daily candle is so bearish. This is the only problem with it, this daily candle. But as you can see, before this, we're in an area of indecision, guys. All right, so we were clearly in an uptrend, okay, and now we've got down to this level here where price has just been ranging. All right, it's just been ranging between these two grey zones, and yeah, we were looking for a break either side of this grey zone, and we just haven't got it, guys. Okay, instead we got a reaction here that closed back into this grey zone. All right, so all I'm looking to do is potentially take price back up to the top of this grey zone. All right, so let's see what happens today. Okay, so I'm just looking to take price from this grey zone back up to this last high here, guys. All right, that's what we're looking to do. Yeah, and that's the trade ideas for today, guys. These are the things I'm looking at. So yeah, if you've enjoyed that, if you've enjoyed the analysis, then come join us. We would love to have you on the channel. Let's take a look at the news now. Okay, guys, so news for Thursday, the 16th of February. So overnight, we had some disappointing Aussie dollar news, this employment change. So, yeah, that affected the Aussie dollar, but it's sort of rebounded now. Okay, so, yeah, it'll be interesting to see what happens there. If we carry on down, the first piece of news we are interested in is this. At 1:30 London GMT, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, any more? No, 4 pieces of news coming out of the USA, guys. We've got building permits, we've got initial jobless claims, Philly Fed manufacturing, and PPI. So all of these 3-star ratings coming out at once are really going to affect any US dollar pair, guys. All right, so must be aware of that coming out. If we carry on down, guys, as you can see, there's no other news that we're interested in. All right, guys, so that's the vid finished. If you've enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, smash the notification button and smash the like button. I hope you have a great trading day. Check out the VIP rooms and I'll see you tomorrow.